Snakes to the mongoose are like peanuts to the squirrel. Guts of steel make him the perfect housemate. The cobra's speedy defense strike is its trump card, the only thing that'll keep him alive. They are each other's prey, but they are also each other's deadliest opponents. The mongoose circles, looking for a weakness in the cobra's defense. It's a battle of speed. The cobra tries intimidation, but it's not enough. They know that if either turns their back, they're a goner. Blow. The cobra delivers its winning blow. He's been spared from becoming mongoose dinner. The mongoose is immune to a certain quantity of the cobra's venom, but right now, he's not hungry enough to push those limits.